Dear students, how are you all? Hope so you all are well at your homes. And again, welcome back to physical education class. Again, we are discussing since so long chapter number 9. The name of chapter is Psychology and Sports. Today, we will describe topic in front of you, benefits of various exercises. What are benefits of exercises on human body? What are benefit of exercises of everyone? So today we will describe this topic point by point in front of you. I hope earlier we talk about exercise at hands, reason to exercise, benefit of exercise, what are benefits of these exercises and all, what are parameter of these exercises. Hope so you understood these all the topics properly without hesitation. Students, I told you so many times, if you are having any kind of queries regarding that, you feel free to contact us anytime, but hope so you are following us. So today we will discuss this chapter, psychology and sports, chapter number 9. Today topic is benefits of exercises. So we'll come to next page. Now we will describe all benefits of various exercises on human body. We will describe point number 1, improves muscle strength. Beta, whenever we are doing any kind of activity, our muscle strength always increase, our muscle tone always increase. A regular exercise can increase strengthen of muscles, make the body more flexible and reduce the chances of so many injuries. Injuries may be happen anywhere, anytime without any intimation. If our muscles are strengthened with the exercises, we can avoid this risk easily. Strong muscles and ligaments also reduce the risk of backache and stiffness of the body. Exercises also help to improve balance and coordination in body. Even we can improve our endurance level also. Muscle fatigue will come, but after long time if we are strengthen them with the exercises and all. So this was the first point. Next is improve bone health. But bone density will also increase. Exercises, every exercises of physical exercises is the key to maintaining your bone health. Weight wearing exercises such as running, shuttle run, standing broad jump, extra walking, jogging, weight training with lower weight, depend upon body or body. Some body is getting less load, strengthened body can take more load. There risk of bone, osteoporosis and so many things we can improve while doing exercises and all. Bone density will increase automatically. Individuals who exercise regularly have better bone density than those who don't have any kind of exercises and all. Vitamin D is also a source of that, and we can improve our bone density while taking vitamin D also. Next is enhanced flexibility. Stretching exercise are just like yoga also you can do. Also improve our good posture of body. The key of your body limber so that you can bend, reach, twist. Improving your flexibility throughout exercises reduce the chances of injury and improve balance and coordination in neuromuscular coordination also we can say. If you are flexible you can do better work than other people's. Next is help to maintain a healthy weight. Beta, you see, this is very important. If you will not do any kind of exercises, you can get fatigue, you can get obese also, you can, your body mass index can be, beyond 30, can be 25 plus also. We can say obesity, and obese number 1, obesity number 2, obesity number 3 also you can change. If you are not doing workout properly, you cannot be a healthy weight without exercises and all. If you want to maintain your healthy weight, you have to improve your body, then you have to do exercises and all. Next is improves cardiac performances. But a regular exercises is necessary for physical fitness and good health for body. It reduces the risk of heart diseases. There are various heart diseases in the human body. Exercises reduce cholesterol level, the types of your cloves and arteries, increase HDL, the good cholesterol, and reduce blood pressure. So it lower the stress on your heart. Added to this, it also strengthen your heart muscles. Combined way, the healthy diet, exercise lower and the risk of developing coronary heart diseases. If you are doing so, you can improve yourself and you can reduce so many heart diseases if you are doing so. So next is improves metabolism. But a metabolism will automatically improve, so that if you are doing automatically so many exercises, automatically your body will improve. Increase stamina and endurance. Automatically, you see, I told you so many times, if you are strengthen your muscles, your all things will be endurable, your all healthy lifestyle will be endurable. Fatigue will come for everyone, but fatigue will come after some time. You can delay the fatigue, I mean you can get endurance level up. So these are the points of this page, and we will come to next page. Next is we can improve our flexibility level up automatically. If we are not doing exercises, our flexibility level of body will be decrease. If we are doing so, our flexibility will increase. You see, whenever we are performing yoga at home, whenever performing so many aerobic exercises at home, automatically we can improve our flexibility up. Next is enhance immunity. But this is very important. Immunity is, against our diseases. If your system is good, if your immunity system is good and improved, will exercises and all, so automatically you will defeat so many diseases in the life whatsoever we are getting in the daily life, just like diabetes, just like back pain. This is so many diseases we are having in the body due to immunity system. If immunity system is weak, then we cannot perform anything else in the life also. So improve your immunity system while doing exercises and all. If you are doing so, automatically our immunity system is very good than a common person, those who are not doing exercises and all. This is very important with exercises to boost your immunity system. Next is improved sleep pattern. But automatically when you are tired, you will sleep properly. You will not see any extra dreams in the life. Just like, sometimes we are getting tablets. I have seen many people, they are getting tablets. They are having stress and all, they are having overload and all, they are having tension and all, so that they cannot sleep properly. If you are improved your system, your body is tired after muscular fatigue and all, and automatically your sleep pattern will automatically improve. You will take full sleep in the night. Improves mood and well-being. This is very important. If you are not feeling well, anxiety may be there, your mood is not good, you will not liking anything else, you're not liking your food, even you're not living your balanced life with your family and all, you're not loving your parents also. So many problems will be there. So with exercises you can refresh your mood and all. Automatically you will live balanced life, well-being life with your family and parents and all. So next is lower anxiety. Beta, this is very important. Sometimes we are doing efforts in the life. Sometimes you see you are studying at your home, and unfortunately you got 5 marks less. Unfortunately, so you will not feel well. You will start anxiety and all. You are not eating proper food. You're not taking proper water and all. You're not taking proper balanced diet. Even you're not doing exercises and all. I mean, you are having anxiety level is very up. So with exercises you can improve it, you can lower this, you can overcome this. I have seen many cases. Suppose struggle is going on, you quarrel with your with your fellows in the classroom, and next is your sports lesson, and we played badminton there, we did yoga there, we played basketball there. After sweat you met him and shake hand and okay, yeah, let it. This is this kind of exercises can overcome such kind of anxiety level whatsoever we are getting in the alone, maybe in the group, maybe in the family, maybe with the environment. We can overcome this. Next is very important, improve self confidence, because this is very important. If you are not physically fit, you are ill always, you are starting any kind of work, maybe sports, maybe education, maybe walking, maybe running, maybe you want to play kabaddi. Whenever you're not feeling well, you don't have any confidence. If you are physically fit and you are habitual, your body is habitual to do so far, and you will be better and fine, your confidence level will be very high. So sports is teaching us always how to overcome the situation, how to overcome the emotions and all. I have seen many cases in my life, they are not sportsmen, and their self confidence is very weak than other people. So this is very important. Sports is very important, exercises are very important to overcome and improve our self confidence in the life. So we will come to next page now. Next is very important, improve our cardiac performance. Because cardiac is, we can say, the backbone of our body. Cardiac, if without cardiac we cannot breathe, we cannot live 2 minutes even. The cardiac exercises and improvement is very important while doing exercises and all. So with cardiac exercise we can increase our bone density. If we are doing so, our bone density will be very improved. Then we can if we are in stress, if we are doing cardio exercises, we can reduce the stress level very down. Next is reduce risk of heart disease. We are having so many heart diseases in the life, till birth to till last breath. So if we are doing cardio exercises, we can reduce so many heart diseases. We are improving our heart system and all. Boost immunity system, we can improve immunity system. I have seen many cases, before cardiac exercises their immunity system was very weak, but when they start cardiac exercises their immunity system is very strong afterward. Then improve brain function. You see a sportsman brain is a very sharp, a physical activity person brain is a very sharp, a person who is sitting on chair always. If your body is good, your brain is good. So automatically with exercises we can improve our this system easily. Reduce cholesterol level, this is very important. Whenever we are not doing exercises, our cholesterol level will be increased. If we are doing so, our cholesterol level will be decreased automatically. If we are sweating ourselves, we are doing weight training over in the gym, we are doing running regularly, we are doing jogging regularly, we are playing any kind of game regularly, I mean physical workout we are doing so, then we can reduce all things properly, just like cholesterol level and all. Then reduce excess fats. You see, whenever we are not doing exercises, we are not burning our calories, automatically we can get extra fats in the body. If we are doing so, we can reduce our fats easily. Improve sleep. Whenever our body is tired, our muscles are fatigued, our mental setup is very good, we can go to sleep easily than other people. Those who are not getting good sleep at night, they are getting tablets from doctor always to have a good sleep. But those who are physical worker, those who are doing good work, I mean to say ground, I mean to say gym, I mean to say labor and all, they are burning proper calories, they can take proper sleep, improves blood pressure. This is very important. If you are not doing so, you can improve all the things properly. If you are doing so, then blood pressure will be at the level. Tone or strengthen of muscle will increase automatically. If you're doing all exercises, your muscle tone will be increased than other people. You can judge in the society also. Those people are sportsmen, those people are hard working in the field, their muscle tone is very very increased always than a common people, those who are not working in the field, not working in the ground, not playing any game, not doing any kind of yoga asanas, not perfectly burning their calories, their muscle tone is always very very weak. Those who are doing so, their muscle tone is very very increased, their muscle level, muscle fatigue is always be late than other people's. Those who are not doing exercises, they are very very weak. So with exercises we can improve our so many things in the body. If we are not doing so, we are getting so many diseases in the body. Now it's up to you people, whatsoever you want. Next is reduce stress. With physical activities and physical workout, we can reduce our stress level down always. Whenever we are not working, our stress level will be increased and we will not stable life. We will not sleep even. We will not work properly. Our muscle will not work properly. Our neuromuscular coordination will not properly. If we are not doing so, we are in depression, and we are doing so, we are overstressed. Next is reduce depression. Beta, whenever we are having any kind of workload, we always in depression. This depression can be a cure whenever we don't know what work, either we are having any extra load of work, either we are not getting any kind of reward after work, we are not getting any kind of appreciation after completion my work, then automatically you can depress in the life also, you can depress after your work. But if you are doing proper exercises, you can deny this, you can overcome from such kind of depression in the life. Depression may be any time, but those who can overcome, just like if you are join sports, suppose I am professional volleyball coach, and I was also player of volleyball. I played volleyball 2022 year regularly. We so many people defeat us, we defeat so many teams also. But if we will in depress, I could not be a coach. I know this is a part of life, this is a part of game, losing and winning. So while sports we can learn a lot, while physical activity we can learn a lot regarding depression, how to overcome from depression. Sometimes you are getting less marks than your neighbors, even from your, suppose I took your paper of physical education, and earlier you were having 60 marks and this term you are having 58 marks, automatically you will feel depressed. So you should come to know sometime one or two question maybe skip, one or two answer maybe skip, sometime maybe tough marking over there. So you should think just like this, positive I meant to say. So you can overcome from such kind of depression mode. So this physical activity can learn a lot for us. We can learn a lot from our sports activities, physical activities, how to overcome the depression. Then sharpen memories. Beta, you see, this is very important. I told you so many time in my school lecture also, in assembly also, in simple walkie talkie also. If player memory is very very sharp, a sports person memory is very very sharp, then a dumb person. Dumb person means those who are sitting on chairs, sitting under AC and all. Their memory is very very low. Memory is not sharp. But player is having a very short span of time. Whenever you are a batsman in cricket, so bowler is delivering bowling to you. Fraction of second ball will come to you in the speed of 120 to 150 kilometer per hour. So you have to take decision in fraction of second. What I have to do, I will hit the ball, I will defense the ball, I will cross hit the ball. Whatsoever you have to very very sharp. Your memory is very very sharp. Reaction time is very very sharp. Automatically you can learn so many things before 10 years, before 20 years in the past. Whatsoever happened with you, because you are having sharpened memories than other people's. Those who are dumb and people, they forgotten all the things, before 2 days meal skip, or what they eat before 2 3 days before. So this is due to physical activities and all. Next is improves brain function. Beta, brain function is very very important. If your physique is very good, then your brain is very good. If your physique is dead, brain is dead. So automatically healthy physique is a healthy brain, and this is a reality of the life. Next is help in socializing. But in society, if your physique is very good, if your physical health is very good, automatically you will get praise in the society also. All society will follow you. You see, whenever you are visiting any kind of mela, any kind of other villages, if your physique is very good, they will also impress. Yeah, what is physique? What a physique! All this personality. This is looking very smart. So automatically you will increase your social qualities and all while doing physical activities and all. Whenever you are performing any activity in your school also, automatically your whole school members will follow you, your teachers will follow you, you see how is running and all. So automatically these people will be a social symbol for everybody. You see, nowadays we are watching a matches also, we are watching in TV and all. So those who are symbol for us, we are getting them, we are following them. So this is a social following, we can say. So this we can got throughout physical activities and all. So we will come to next page. So students, so today we discussed regarding benefits of various exercises. Beta, there are so many benefits, but I told you a few of them. Basically, exercise, we can say exercise is a life. If you are not doing so, you are not living proper life. If you are not strengthen your muscles, you are not living proper life. If you want to healthy life, wealthy life, social life, emotional life, then you have to perform physical activity in your life. If you are not doing so, you are living life with your enemy diseases. If you are doing so, your immunity system will increase, your personality will increase, your shape and size will increase. Automatically the social life will increase, emotional life will increase, and you can live balanced life in the society and all. So beta, hope so you followed my this lecture, I mean today lecture. Hope so you are following our worthy guidelines whatsoever I am delivering you daily, physically as well as theoretical also. But I hope so you are following this properly. And this education is not education if I am telling you on the WhatsApp and all. Education is that only whenever you are following these all the guidelines properly, whenever you are following all things practically. Suppose I am teaching you these exercises and you are getting marks. This is a no meaning of that. This is a paperwork only. You have to perform it daily with your parents also. This is called real education. Then we can get so many benefits of that. So please follow this. Hope so you are well at your homes, as I told you in the beginning in the welcome note also. And follow your parents. Tell them also to guide them also regarding same to physical activity. Do some aerobics at home also. Do some yoga at home also. So stay healthy. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.